You could charge your phone without the need to fuss with cables. You could charge two devices at the same time. You could get through the day or two or three if you use two rubber bands. FaceTime, make phone calls. No problems. So here's a Mophie portable wireless charger. It's called Mophie Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless XL. I know some of you don't like unboxing, but some of you want to know what's printed outside the box and what comes with inside the box. And don't forget, you can pause the video at any time. It can charge up to 17 hours for a large tablet, 24 hours for a small tablet, and 48 hours for a smartphone. Here's the instruction manual. Pause anytime, but I will demonstrate how this thing works. Grippy, but I can tell it's dust magnet. The USB Type-C plug is for charging the charger, and the regular USB plug is for charging a smartphone or a tablet using a cable. One blinking light, 25% charged. The top surface is key enabled for charging wirelessly for a key-enabled phone. Charging cable, USB Type-C male to regular USB male. This is to charge the charger. 25%, one blinking light. 2 means 50%. 3 means 75%. And of course 4 is 100%. 2 blinking lights, 50% charged. And 4, 100%. This is to charge another device. And if you want to charge your phone wirelessly, you would have to press the button on the side to activate it. And you could see here both devices are charging. And while your phone is charging wirelessly, the light on the top will be on and off when you remove it. But your tablet will always be on until you unplug it. So I came up with something interesting. If you were to use your phone extensively, you could use 2 rubber bands to keep them together. You could FaceTime, make phone calls without worrying. And thank you for watching. Do come back.